Everyone is selling digital products right now, but most people are selling the wrong one. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 digital products that can make you consistent sales. And make sure you watch until the end because I am going to be showing you a simple way to test your idea before wasting time to design anything. If you are new here, I help people build real passive income online, no gimmicks, just things that are working right now. In this video, you are going to learn exactly what makes them sell and how to check if your idea is even worth your time. So if you are serious about starting an Etsy shop this year, let's get straight into the video. Edible brand kits are in demand because new business owner, they want a plug and play look that still feel unique. You're not just selling a logo. Instead, you are selling an entire identity like fonts, colors, social templates that they can edit in Canva. We are gonna go to Etsy and we're gonna search brand kit template to see what it brings up. So once we search brand kit template, you will see different options, and we have one here, which is the wellness coach brand kit. We'll click that. And we want to see what they offering in the brand kit. If you would notice, they have good reviews. If you see the 5-star, and right next to it, you could see the review for the entire shop. So they have good reviews for the entire shop, but that review was just for the entire shop and not for that specific product. So let's go to another one to see if we can find one with the reviews for that specific product that they selling on Etsy. So here go one right here. It's a complete business branding kit. And if you notice that they say that it's, if you notice on the listing, it says that it's edit in Canva. So if you notice already that it's edit in Canva, the same way you would edit. And then right here, they show what's included, which is very important. So you can know they give you an idea of what to include in yours when you do it and when you create it. So these are all included in this kit, which is very helpful for people. And here go another one, which is the brand board and logo. And they tell you what's included, which is brand board, mood board, color palettes, and all that. And if you notice right next to it, the reviews, they have reviews, and it's for this specific item that we are looking at now. And people are loving it. And just pay attention to what's included when you create yours. You can know what to include into your kit, and you just pay attention what is already working. If they already like this product, you could do it yourself and do it on Canva. The next one we're going to discuss is digital trackers, things like revenue dashboard, order tracker, or even goal planner. They sell because people love to see progress and they could use it in their own life. You can make them in Google Sheet, Notion, or even Canva. So right now we're going to go to Notion and we're going to go to one of my planners. So I have a social media planner, and here is a template of it, and I have daily to-dos, the weekly posting schedule. I have this week posting schedule, which it goes through different phases like editing, ideas, SEO, and so forth. And I have this month posting schedule, and down here I have a task tracker, and when clicking on the task tracker, it would give me all the tasks I have to do on each of the days that needs to be done, and it would move to the complete task at the top once I click on completed. Right now it's at not started, so once it goes to completed, it will automatically remove from this week and it will go to completed task. And you could create one similar to that or create your own, and you could sell it, that template, so people could customize it and they can make it to their own. And you can include a short how-to video to make yours stand out from the rest. Now on to event planners, which is year-round. If you are thinking about going into this niche, like think of pop-up shop planners, vendor booking sheet, and think about event budget. And these also can be created in Canva. We're gonna go to Canva, and right here you could just create a planner. And when you create the planner, you could put in information so they could see the information they need for the planner. You put in all the details for the planner, and you customize it towards your liking. Just make sure it's useful. Here in Canva, you can create your event planner, and you could create the event planner, and then you could just save it. You can share it as a PDF and upload it on Etsy. When you go to Etsy, you could type in event planner, and you could get some ideas and inspo over here, and you could see that this event planner right here, you could see what they have included in their planner. 150 is a mega event planner bundle, which if you notice notice it's created in Canva. It has Canva up there, so it's created in Canva, so they can always edit it when they can always edit it when they purchase. And this is everything that is included in this planner. And here is a pop-up shop checklist. This is a event checklist. You can even create an event checklist, 1 page or 2 pages. And these are the reviews for this item, for specifically this item. So you could check all of that out, all the details, and then you could decide what planner you want to create, like what event planner you want to create, and just know event happen all years around. So it's very profitable. Event planners work because they solve real stress for people that is trying to stay organized. And this niche is low competition and is high repeat sales. Airbnb and real estate templates are underserved, but it's very profitable. Hosts and agents are looking for welcome books, checklists, and property guides that look professional. So what you would do, you would create an editable file on Canva so that they can download and they can edit it and save them time. So in Canva, you can create a design like this, just very simple, so that they can edit it and customize it to their liking. And just so you get inspo and ideas, always go to Etsy to see what other people are doing. So you'll type in Airbnb template, and once we get there, we'll look. And this one caught my eye, 2025 and 2026. So they're replanning for next year as well. And they showing everything that they offer in this bundle. And you can offer bundles and they will pay for it because it saves them time. And you can, when you offer a bundle, you can offer it for a higher price because they're getting more from it. Here go another one, and this is all designed in Canva right here. And they even include mobile sized. Again, we're gonna always check what's included because we want to know what we can include in ours. So these are the things that are included into this template. This is everything that's included into this welcome guide. Legal templates can never go out of style. And the legal templates we're talking about is privacy policy, client contracts, website terms. All businesses need them, so they are always going to remain in demand. Every business needs these and they sell year after year. And you could design this on Canva. On Etsy, we're gonna always check it to see what other people are doing. So we're gonna type client agreement. And when we go to the client agreement template, so I found client agreement for service providers, and it's edit in Canva, and it's only 2 pages. Client agreement, so it's straight to the point for them. They tell them what's inside of it. Here you go, another one. This is another editable service agreement template that's in Canva, and they say what's included with the template as well. We just looked at the templates that is selling well on Etsy. We just looked at the legal templates that's doing well on Etsy. Always remember to go to Etsy to get the inspo for whatever idea you're coming up with. Go to Etsy to get ideas and to get inspo from Etsy. And one thing that's good about client agreement template is that it sells year after year. It will always be needed for new business owners that have been in the game for a long time. It's always needed, so it's useful. It definitely solves a problem. As promised in the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you how you test your idea to see if that is the right path for you and if that is working as of now. Before you create anything, we're going to check to see if people are actually buying it. We're going to go over to Etsy, type in what you're thinking about selling. So I'm going to type in small business template. When going to small business template, you would notice that you cannot filter it by bestseller. It's nowhere to be found. So we're going to do a workaround. First, what you're going to do, click on star seller because that's close to bestseller. So click on star seller. When you click on star seller, up there in the bar right there, the URL, take out star and put best. So it's saying bestseller filter. And then you would notice that the bestseller is popping up and it's in black and it's showing the bestseller. Once you find a listing, we're going to check and make sure that we look at the reviews. And we want to make sure we're looking at the review that says this item and not the review for just the entire shop. So if you notice right next to it, it says this item. And we want to make sure that this product is still selling. So you want to make sure that when you look at the reviews, the date say a recent date. So for this one, the recent date was September 30th, 2025, which let me know that it's still working. People are still buying it now. And at the bottom of the bar, you see that it's a lot of reviews because she has like 6 and more pages. So that means that people actually enjoy this product. They've been buying it and they're looking for it. Here we're looking at another one, the Ultimate Small Business Bundle. It's a bestseller. And this seller has a lot of reviews overall for the whole shop. But if you notice, it says this item. So they have a lot of reviews for this item as well. They have like 6 or more pages for just this item that they are reviewing. And we could pay attention to the consistent sales of, if you see by the date, this is October 7th, 2025, October 6th, October 5th, October 2nd. That means this is really selling right now, as of now. Because as of today's date, we are in October, and the beginning of October of 2025. This is, oh yeah, today's October 8th, 2025. So that means they made a sale yesterday. And these are people that give in the reviews. So we have to keep in mind for people that do not give reviews and they just purchase. So if these are people that give reviews, that means this product is in demand right now. So this will be a good product to hop on and create a listing for on Etsy because it's selling good. When looking through these listings, you want to make sure that the shop is making steady sales and have recent reviews from this month or this week. That means that people are still buying right now. If you want to go deeper, you can use the tool called Everbee. It shows average sales and revenue so you can see what's still performing. But even without a software, just scanning the first page and reading the reviews will already tell you if your niche is alive or is no longer working anymore. All 5 of these digital products work because they save people time and they solve real problems. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe and comment Etsy 2025 so I will know to drop part 2 where I will show you exactly how to design one in Canva. Thank you for watching.